Anybody know there was a train in Dinosaur World?
Oh, it's a cute little track can.
We gotta go all the way back to get the camera.
Bless you. Wow, look at the ones in the water.
What is that?
I don't know, look at that. That looks dope.
That's horrifying.
Oh,
What's that thing?
look at this. I didn't realize like how much fun this place is. It's not bad for 26 bucks.
I agree.
Right? Oh, I
Oh,
heard.
look at their little faces.
I know. I heard someone said they just refurbished all that. Dude. I still don't know what that thing in the water is. Oh, it's crazy.
Oh, Scooters.
Oh.
I pronounce these freaking dinosaur names.
For real? Like, who made these dinosaur names up? Like, because they didn't pick up themselves. Whoa, look at that. Hungodosaurus. Dilophosaurus. Why don't you take one of these pots and try to take one home? Like, my wife has a condition, y'all. What is wrong with you?
It's gotten to the level where she steals trash cans.
Yeah, I'm helping her, okay? So either get along on the program or get out of the way.
Get bent.
There's like a rescue boat up there. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. Look at those.
Little baby one.
Those little babies look like they get like little cannonballs. Maybe they take something out. Oh, look at those. That's so cool. That's a scene right there. Yeah, that would come around Halloween. This makes it even cooler.
Get that dinosaur.
I'm gonna give it to this guy, John. When he's cleaning and stuff.